Friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. I'm a trainer. Last 38 years I've been conducting workshops on stock market and personality development programs. Large number of people sent requests to me saying that I must talk about the Wipro shares and the profitability. Wipro started in 1945 in Amalner in Maharashtra by Mohammad Premji. You may be surprised. Wipro is an IT company, software company. But do you know the long form? The long form of Wipro says Western India Palm Refined Oil Limited. Short form is Wipro. In the original days, they were manufacturing vegetable oils, dalda. Later, they came to IT sector. Now, Wipro is only dealing with the IT sector, and all these vegetable oil section has gone to some other company. In the year 1966, Mohammad Premji died, and his son Azim Premji took over as the chairman of the company at his age of 21 years. Wipro first started its IPO in the year 1946 in Bombay Stock Exchange. Face value was 100 rupees. And they entered New York Stock Exchange in the year 2000. Wipro's market capitalization today is around 1.6 lakh crores. Wipro has around 0.75% the weightage in the Nifty. That means if you take the whole Nifty, Wipro is less than 1% of its weight. Now let me tell you who are the major shareholders of Wipro. Promoters are still holding on to 74%. Foreign institutional investors hold around 9%. Domestic institutional investors hold around 12%, and others are holding around 5 to 6%. Now I want to tell you the last 5 years net profit of Wipro to give you an idea of profitability. In the year 2016, the net profit was 8,957 crores. 2017, 8,518 crores. 2018, 8,002 crores. 2019, 9,022 crores, and 2020 up to March 31st is 9,769 crores. Now I am going to tell you the most exciting aspect of Wipro, the bonus and the stock splits. The first bonus of Wipro started in the year of 1981, and then they gave 1:1 bonus, and somebody was holding 100 shares became owner of 200 shares. In the year 1985, they again gave 1:1, 200 shares became 400 shares. 1987, again 1:1, 400 shares became 800 shares. In the year 1989, they again gave 1:1 bonus, 800 shares became 1,600 shares. In the year 1990, Wipro went for a stock split. 100 rupee shares they made into 10 rupee shares. So what happened? You had 1,600 shares. Suddenly it became 16,000 shares. In the year 1992, again Wipro announced 1:1. 16,000 became 32,000. 1995, again 1:1. 32,000 became 64,000. 1997, 2:1, and 64,000 shares became 1,92,000 shares. Again in the year 1999, it went for a split, and the 10 rupee share became 2 rupee share, and 1,92,000 shares became 9,60,000 shares. 2004 again 2:1 bonus, and 9,60,000 shares became 28,80,000 shares. Again in 2005, can you see how many times Wipro have split and bonus? So good for the people. 2005, again 1:1, 28.8 lakhs became 57.6 lakhs. And the year 2010, 2:3 bonus, and 57.6 lakhs became 96 lakhs. And in the year 2017, again 1:1, 96 lakhs became 1 crore 92 lakhs shares. In the year 2019, again they gave 1:3 and 1 crore 92 lakhs shares suddenly becomes 2.56 crores. Originally, I had only 100 shares. Today, it has become 2.56 crores. Suppose somebody had 100 shares purchased at 10,000 rupees in the year 1980. Today, the Wipro shares are quoting approximately 280, and when I multiply 2.56 crores into 280, it becomes 716.8 crores. Can you imagine 10,000 becoming 716.8 crores over the years? Now I have to tell you a beautiful story. Kindly listen to the whole story. The year was 1980, and in the small town of Amalner in Maharashtra, there was a young boy by name Muhammad Anwar Ahmad, just 27 years. He got an inheritance from his father, 20,000 rupees. And then the same time, a broker from Mumbai came to Amalner. The broker's name was Satisha. He told Muhammad, go round, lot of people in Amalner are having Wipro shares. You ask them to sell the Wipro shares to me, I will purchase it. So, when Satisha was leaving the town, he asked Muhammad, pay 10,000 rupees, I will give you 100 shares of Wipro, you keep it, don't sell, that will give you lot of profits. And similarly, Muhammad held on to the 100 shares. Today, he owns approximately 716 crores. He is so rich, he is donating money to charity. My dear friends, 10,000 becomes 716.8 crores. CAGR over the last 40 years, if you calculate, it works out to an improvement of 40% per annum every year, so many years from 1980. To get you an idea of how Wipro has progressed over the years, I'm going to give you a graph from 2000 to 2020, how Wipro has gone up and improved its profitability over the years. My dear friends, this was the story of Wipro. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please press the like button. And then, if you're still not a subscriber of our channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon so that next time we are making such very interesting videos, you will get directly notification from YouTube. Apart from that, many of your friends may be interested in knowing the story of Wipro, how much profits it created for its investors. Kindly share this video with your friends, relatives, so that they will also enjoy and understand. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Namaste.